Hi guys, nandito kami sa Pililla, Rizal. May nakuha kaming kalahok at anong pangalan mo ate?
Marie.
Okay, lalaruin lang natin high-low. Bubuklat ako ng isang card tapos pipili ka lang ng high or low. 8 of spade. High or low?
Low.
Low. Low. 7 of spade, low. O high or low?
Low.
Low. Oh! 4 of heart. Low. High or low?
High.
High. High. High. High or low?
Low.
Low. 3 of flowers. Last round. High or low?
Low.
Uy, low. 1 and 2 lang yan, ha? Sige.
Parang hindi perfect.
4 of clubs. High. Okay, naka-apat na tamang sagot. Meron siyang 80 pesos. Ayan, ito 80 pesos mo. Any shout out, ate?
Shout out sa mga pamilya ko sa Mindanao po.
Ayan, taga Mindanao po pala si ate. Okay, shout out po sa taga Mindanao. Ayan, next player tayo.